this is a tutorial for Matcha-cha, which is an 80 count, 4-wall, 3 restart intermediate level dance, and it is danced to Matcha Tea by Repatua. The first 32 counts are a basic cha-cha. Starting off with your right foot, you go forward, back, cha-cha-cha, and back with your left. You rock back, cha-cha-cha. And then you do a side cha-cha, side, recover, cha-cha-cha, side, recover, cha-cha-cha, diagonal, forward, recover, cha-cha-cha, back, recover, cha-cha-cha. And you do half turns with the right foot and pivot, cha-cha-cha, and with your left foot, pivot, cha-cha-cha. Let's do it from behind so you can follow from behind. Anyway, it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right, so we end up in this position. Then we go into the next 16 counts, starting off with a grapevine and then going into a jazz box. So starting with your right, you rock to the side, recover, grapevine, to the other side, side, rock back, behind, side, forward, and you end up in this position. And then you go straight into a jazz box, which is cross, back, back, step forward, cross, back, back. Let's do that again, all right, with counts, maybe from behind. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you go straight into the last section, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And let me do that facing the front because the last section is action heavy on, as far as your hands go. So that didn't help that I was facing that way. So anyway, let's do it from the front, starting with the grapevine. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then going into the last section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is your tutorial. Hope you enjoy.